In this video I will be showing you how to download songs from the YouTube audio library. Here you can find songs and sound effects you can use copyright free. Some of the material do need a mention in the description. I will also show you how to recognize these, but first how to download songs. Go the YouTube audio library, you can find the link in the description below. Press on this button. Choose where you want to save it and click OK. If a video needs a mention in your description, it will have this picture. Click on the song to reveal what you need to copy and paste to into your description. If you only want songs that don't need mentioning, then press attribution and choose attribution not required. There you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like if this video has helped. Comment down below if you have any questions I should answer. Subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.